Need that. Oh, no! No. Turn it on. The bottom part first. I want to slide up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm GetUpN and you're watching Building a Jamaican Home series. So you guys have been asking what happened to my place. Now, the lumbers and the boards will come down after this. Then you borrow them now and come over here to come take them up and carry them from our place. This guys are our place, cause I mean I wanna build it. So our place. So I get a truck man to come throw them in the truck. So I'm gonna sort them out. Props and everybody. I'm gonna sort them out. And some plywood, them plywood are soft, so I'm gonna use them to make farms. Some of them tough still, some of them they brand new, one time use. Some of them here come off of my place. So all the time that you never see me from my place, we were dealing with this place.
Exactly. Because you're just stuck in the wall.
I put wallet from here, so.
Yeah, but
it out.
Why is he hating?
That's a blue.
Why are you hating?
Only silver.
You're not supposed to hate.
Alright, so while Kishi go and put out them here and wait for the stuff to come, I'm going to go and finish that down them here. Need that. Oh, no! No. Turn it on. The bottom part first. I want to slide out. Alright, so the nice piece of plywood that we wanted too. And them two before here. So I'm going to take down them here. Even though we have a whole heap on this one. So I'm going to just take down them here. Don't hold it up. Babe, don't hold it up, yeah? You see that iron here? Don't hold past it. So this is the last something for you. Why should I go on like the strong? And then land out, take them from down this one and put them up. Just like that. Let's see, have a look some more. Alright guys, we only use the silver prop them because them here longer. The blue one them longer. So we'll get the short one them for borrow. Because I'm not done with prop, so I'm going to use the blue one them. And we need about 18 of them. of course, you know we have to clean up the place. Yeah, so good. That's all I've got. Each one help one. I can't pop them. Tired. Yes. Alright guys. You can guess how much money worth of material them here. I have about 20 prop and one wooly per board. You may not even really count them. Wooly per board. Grateful for your boats still. Get them for borrow, so we can make use of them and send them back as fast as we can. Whew, I left them out here till tomorrow and we get up early and come carry them in. But me definitely carrying the props them right now. I give myself 5 minutes. 5 minutes guys, 5 minutes. And Mama walk it one by one. I couldn't carry two each side, one time each side. Watch it. Watch your finger. Tired and pop down. Tired and pop down. Oh God. Alright guys. Then there's about $70,000 worth of prop if we rent them and we get them free. Someone. Pop. Watch your head. Watch your head from behind me. No spin. Watch your head now. Last two. Alright guys, and I forgive Kishy our props. Get it? Our props. She did a lot of work today. Clap yourself. You did a lot of work today, babe. Whew. Watch it from behind me. Are you ready?
What's that?
Alright, I'll take a break now. Carrying all of the farms them. See them behind me. Whew. The top get flat. Alright, so this is one of the ways them I may sort of save money. in between just get some second-hand farm and some second-hand ply and some second-hand board. And I buy them one year. Them dry out, them use probably 2 times already. But them not gonna be a permanent part of the structure. So you just use them and then probably can discard it after. So no matter how them look, them dry out, so I'm gonna strap them up and nail them up properly. Right now some of them need to firm up and some of them need nail up. And one of the other reasons why I leave the nail them in the board them and carry them over is because when I reuse them, I'm going to recycle and nail them. So I'm going to set up this one now for pack the ply upon, and then I'll put them up on top, and then I'll probably put the tool for them in the house. So put rest them here for a while, and I get out all of the nail them. And then use back them same nail left to straighten out back. And look on them condition. Them dry out still. But as long as they can hold the concrete, it's good. They may have a left impression in the concrete, but that's still good because them don't go flash out. Me wouldn't rent these kind of board if somebody would give me rent them. I wouldn't rent them. But because I get them free, me use them. See? Them practically done for. But we use board 16 times already, so them board here just use 2 times. Them still have strength in them and life in them, so we're gonna just use them. Alright guys, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, click that like button and share the video. We're finished carrying them plyboard now and so I go on. So guys, I'm gonna jump in back tomorrow, sort out a little thing, bing bang boom. I'm tired right now, really tired. You can look some food, you can hold a beard, you can do a lot of things. Tired.